I've noticed that there's not a lot of available information on stereo windscreen systems, unless you're looking to drop a couple hundred or thousands of dollars on a Rode coat. That's a little out of my budget, so I've put together some easy modifications on a Rode Blimp version 2 that might help some of you field recorders out there. So for this you're going to need a Rode Blimp version 2, a 2x mono female to stereo male Y cable, a Rode stereo to mono Y cable, zip ties, a Rode coat back-to-back clips, Velcro straps, a hex key, and scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is unscrew the bottom plate from the grip using our hex key. The included cable will easily come off from the grip and the top rail. Next, we're going to add our female to male stereo Y cable. Mine in particular is a bit strange since the cable comes out of the side, so we'll have to do some flexing to not poke out of the grip. Once that's in, we can take our bottom plate and screw it back in with the hex key. Now we can run the cable up along the grip. If you have a cable similar to mine, I recommend using some electrical tape to keep everything together. And then we'll use some Velcro straps and some zip ties to keep the cables from moving around. The red strap is actually here to keep the port from being pushed in too much when plugging it in. And then we'll take our scissors and cut the end of the zip tie. Here I have my MKH8040 with the clips already on them. I'll snap them into my bottom microphone, which is on the Rode coat lyre, and slide it into the blimp. Everything fits perfectly, and there we have it. A functioning stereo windscreen system for under $300. To record with it, we want to take our Rode Y cable, which is basically the reverse of what we have in the grip, and plug it into the bottom. From there we could take those two mono cables and plug it into our mixer or interface. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found some use in this, and all the materials featured will be linked in the description. Tune in later for more content. See y'all.